Ramp has got to be one of the best fintech companies to work for, and they give you top compensation packages like this. And they're absolutely crushing it. They just raised $200 million, putting their valuation at $22.5 billion, which means they can keep dishing out amazing compensation packages to people that will do great work. And you're in luck, because they're hiring for this software engineer position in their applied AI division. So the question is, what do you need to bring to the table? Well, the requirements are pretty basic, but here's the checklist of things you should have done in order for your resume to stand out. You should build a full stack feature complete with UI and a backend that makes an API call to an LLM service. You should integrate retrieval augmented generation in the user query pipeline that pulls data from a vector store to enhance the response from the LLM. You have fine-tuned an open source space model. Llama 2 is an easy one to work with. You have worked with tools like JSON Former to make sure that responses from LLMs can be parsed safely as JSON. If you've done anything to make a backend that relies on LLM inference more scalable, even if that means adding more observability, you're going to stand out. If you've built an internal tool, such as a command line interface that can be run ad hoc to get metrics about a live production system, that shows maturity. Bonus brownie points if you've refactored a monolith into separate services or serverless functions. Everybody loves an engineer who's written integration tests which run on every CI build to make the system safer for everybody. If you have profiled CPU or GPU usage to reduce cloud spend builds, you are going to be adored. And finally, if you've authored tech spec docs or architecture diagrams, that is always a cherry on top.